Team, we're gonna do some smoked and air fried chicken wings coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. Okay, that's right. You heard it right. We are going to smoke and then air fry some chicken party wings. It's going to be amazing. Now, team, I've seen it done where you smoke your wings and then deep fry them, either on the stove or, a deep fryer. But for my audience, mostly people that have air fryers and Ninja Foodies and all that stuff, I wanted to give another option to this because it's such a wonderful flavor and it gives tons and tons of texture. Basically, we're gonna give these a quick smoke until they hit to about 160, 170 internal on the wing. I already got the charcoal lit, okay, out there on my Weber kettle. Most people have some sort of barbecue or grill, or even if it's a gas grill, you can do this. I'm gonna use little apple wood chunks. All right, we got charcoal because, like I said, we're using a Weber kettle. But if you only have like a gas grill, get one of them smoker boxes that you put the wood chips in, or little smoker tubes that you put wood pellets in, and I'll put links below for either or. So I just have the little kettle out back, and that's what we're gonna use. Okay, so like I said, smoke it to 160. Come and air fry it for 5-10 minutes until it gets ultra crispy. All you're gonna need is your favorite barbecue rub. I'm using the best from Cosmos Q, beer can chicken. But that's it. There isn't a whole lot to this one. All right, like I said, we're gonna air fry about 400 degrees, 5-10 minutes. So we're kind of doing a little moving and grooving, but it should be done relatively quickly. Like I said, fire's going out back. We're gonna spray down these wings with a little canola oil, get them seasoned up, and then get them on the grill. Should not take long at all. This is gonna be a good one, guys. Comment down below if you're able to do this recipe, if you got a smoker or not, or if you got a grill or not. I'll tell you what, you can even go to the store, go to Walmart, get their cheapest little hibachi, $20 little charcoal grill. All you need is those little apple wood chips and some charcoal, and you're good to go. We're gonna cook these offset. So we got the heat going on one side with the charcoal and the smoke. We're using a slow and sear. It's a charcoal basket. So we're gonna have all the heat on one side, the chicken on the other side of the grill, and it's just gonna convection that smoke around it, and it's just gonna be amazing. All right, we're gonna give these a good, hard, smoky kiss. All right, let's get these chicken wings prepared, and then we'll get out to the grill. Okay, we got our little party wings. So it's just the flats and the drums. The little flappers are already been cut off. Spraying it down with some canola oil. Get it good. Want a good coating on it. Like I said, we got the best by Cosmos Q, beer can chicken. Love this one. Real nice savory notes to it. All right. You just want to get a good coat of the rub on the chicken. All right, and these are gonna have a hot second to sit here and marinate and absorb some of that flavor. We'll get that fire going. Goodness all around right here, guys. All right, let's get out back. Our coals are obviously nice and hot. I'm gonna drop them in there. Drop it like it's hot. Okay, and before we get the wood chips on there, we're gonna get these ready to smoke. Doing skin side up, so it all absorbs that smoke better. We're probably gonna get a nice dark color on them because of the smoke. I'm gonna add our smoke chips on now. So we got a little apple wood chips. Just gonna add a couple handfuls. We'll get some good smoke. All right, let's get that lid on. It'll tamp down that fire a little bit. We have it wide open on the bottom, open on the top. Get that smoke going. It's gonna be a real quick cook because it's gonna be really hot in there. We're gonna take it and we're gonna put it in the air fryer after it's done. All right, team. These are temping about 150, 160. We're gonna go ahead and pull off the wings, get them ready for the air fryer. They got a nice dark color to them. Don't mind those brats over there. That's lunch for Mrs. CJ and me. We're gonna get these off, get them in the house. Be ready for some good eating. All right, team, we got the wings off of the kettle, right? They're looking nice and dark and lovely. There's such a great smell coming off them. Nice smoky smell. Yeah, smoky. Anyway, all right, so let's get them into the Ninja Foodi grill. Guys, this is not just for Ninja Foodi grills. This is just the air fryer I have. So you can use whatever air fryer. I'm gonna go 400 degrees and we're going to go for about 10 minutes, okay? So nothing like you need a Ninja Foodi grill, but if you want one, there's a link down below. It's a Ninja Kitchen, it's an affiliate link. Click on it if you want to buy one. Helps out the channel. You know the drill. Okay, let's get over to the kitchen island. Let's get these wings in this air fryer, and we have some good eating after this one, all right? Let's go. All right, we got our Foodi grill on before we get the wings going. So we hit air crisp. I told you we're going to 400. Hit start, let it preheat, and then we'll get our wings in. We're gonna go ahead and spray down the basket with a little bit of canola oil. Let's get our wings in there. Again, we're gonna go skin side up. Right now, the skin has had a lot of the fat in it rendered down from being on that kettle. So now we're just gonna help it along. Get one last little crisp on it. It's a great color on these wings. A nice smoke that hit them. Only took about 5-10 minutes on there. I wasn't exactly catching the time. You know, I go to internal temperatures. All right, we're preheated. We got all our wings in. Before we shut it down, I just want to spray the top of these with a little bit more oil. We're going for maximum crispy, right? All right, let's shut it down. About 5-10 minutes, we're good to go. All right, team, we've given it 7 minutes. I want to give a check on temperature to make sure we're not getting too crazy with the temps. 180, that's on one of the biggest ones, so I know there are others are probably a little bit more. All right, so 180, 190 is where, come on. 180, 190 is where I want my wings. So we're only gonna take it to the 7 minutes. Like I said, we go to internal temperatures, but if you guys need time, it's 7 minutes. Guys, look at the dark color you have on these wings. Has that smoke flavor, smoke color. And then we obviously fried them up. Got a little more heat on them. That's just tons of flavor right there, guys. Team, we're done. As you can see, we're working here, working up a sweat, working hard. I mean, one of my flats, because you know I'm team flats. You can smell it, the smokiness. This is a good one, guys. Holy moly, that's hot. It's hot. That is too damn good right there. Listen, you don't need a whole barbecue setup out there to get a little smoke flavor on your wings. Like I said below, I'll put a link for like a smoke box, some wood chips, a smoker tube, a little bag of pellets. You know, I'll put links for all that stuff down below. So use whatever you can. And I'll even try to find a little like hibachi grill that's, you know, not that much money. So you can order one of those. They're all Amazon affiliate links, but you know, it'll give you options if you don't have a grill or a barbecue or anything like that. But I tell you, this takes no time at all. I mean, it's just the same as, you know, more or less cooking it all in your air fryer, okay? You're getting about 10 minutes outside to get all that good smoke on it. Render a little fat, because we've got a high temperature out there. I took the pit up to 450, 500. I wasn't trying to go low and slow with it, right? And then we brought it back in here, took 7 minutes. But again, don't cook to time. You're cooking to internal temperatures. So outside, 150, 160 internal temperature, right? And then bring it inside and then take it to 175, 180, 190, right in that area, okay? Just depends on where you like it. I like my wings a little more overdone, so I'll take it to 180, 190. So it's just where you want to be, okay? Guys, if you like this one, make sure you hit a thumbs up on the way out. Comment down below. If you want to get a Foodi grill, cutting boards, all the stuff I use in my videos, there are links down below. Merch, any of that, you know how it goes. If you want to become part of CJ's crew for real here on YouTube, hit that join button. Become a member, get your name at the end of the videos, a couple other perks. But that is it for this one. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.